if you want to get down to Bang Su, which is where the new, I suppose, international train station is, and you're at Hua Lamphong, you do have two choices. You can catch this one here, Hua Lamphong, which takes you all the way around the world to Bang Su. Okay, it's about 17 stops. Or if you go on the other side of the platform, you catch this train, and you go from Hua Lamphong, you go to Thep, and then you switch over to this line, and it's only 10 stops down to there, rather than having to go, if I can just zoom out, all the way down, which takes quite a while. There's Jadajak, that's where the markets are, so it's two stops further. But this way's quicker, going up to Thep, then just walking across and catching this one down. Hey, I'm full of information today. I'm actually doing a practice run for Hua Hin because there's two trains. There's one at 7:30 in the morning and there's one at 3 o'clock. I've got to go. My train is here. Okay, that's 7 minutes from Hua Lamphong to Thep, and I've got to go to platform 3, which will get me down to Bang Su, I'm pretty sure. Where are we? Oh, there's one right here. No, I've missed it. That was a bit of a choke. That other train I was waiting for, they for some reason stopped trains that way, so this train I'm on now goes that way and then stops and then comes back this way. It's very confusing.
สถานีต่อไปสถานีจรัญ13 Next station จรัญ13
Yeah, I've never been out this way, so this is all very new to me. It all looks the same though. I'm assuming this is the Jiao Praya River up the other end. Wow. Okay, I'm at Bang Su, and that took 40 minutes from Hua Lamphong. If this is your first time doing this, and this is my first time, make sure you got your passport. I didn't have my passport. I didn't realise I needed a passport. So luckily, I was able to get a ticket. And where you get the tickets is just when you come up from your train, you'll see, you'll more than likely come out one of these exits here, and you'll see a ticket office. And right there is where you get your ticket to Hua Hin or Chiang Mai or wherever you want to go. And you'll notice where it is. It's because right across the road are all these buildings and there's nice big glass windows here. So yeah, it was a little bit confusing for me. This is why I did this test run today, because I probably didn't explain myself. The train system here in Bangkok starts at 6 o'clock in the morning. So I've got basically an hour and a bit to get from Hua Lamphong to Bang Su, and then, you know, find my platform and get on the train before 7:30. So I'm really cutting it fine. Otherwise I have to wait until 3 o'clock in the afternoon to catch the bloody train from here down to Hua Hin, and I'll get there at 7 o'clock at night. I don't want that. I want to get there throughout the day so I can, you know, get settled. So yeah, anyway, that's the ticket you get, and that cost 330 baht, which is, I don't know how much it is, 4,812, probably 15 bucks to go to Hua Hin. So there you go. Hopefully that might help someone, because it's really, really confusing, hey. I just want to show you that the southern line is, of course, this is the one that takes you down south, down to Hua Hin, and this one obviously takes you up north, up to Chiang Mai. And that's where we have to find E-Gate. And I'm not going to bore you with that right now. I'm going to just go for a walk so I know how far I have to walk. I don't want to be caught out tomorrow and miss this bloody train. So gate E apparently is down here, and Tang Kwa. Tang Kwa means right side. On the right side. Okay, from the ticket booth to this sign here where it says gate E, it's about a 5-minute walk. And we walk down here and we'll see what happens next. So I'm assuming this is gate E and there's currently no services, so everything's closed. I'm really glad I've done this recce, because I think had I've done it tomorrow, I may have sort of got it together. But the actual queuing up and the ticket, to get a ticket, man, that just took forever. They had one person serving, and everyone, a lot of tourists who obviously can't speak Thai. I can speak Nit Noi Thai, a little Thai, so I can kind of fast track myself a bit, but I'm still pretty useless. Okay, my next destination in a couple of days will be Hua Hin, having a beer, maybe on the beach, definitely around the pool. Okay, catch you later.